Okay, Bean Beauties, buckle up. Don't know what today's unboxing is going to be. I can't even talk. This is an expensive bag. Very expensive bag. Probably my most expensive bag yet. In my mind's eye, this is not deep enough. It's wide enough, lengthwise, but deep enough, I don't know. So I am very nervous. This, like I said, is my most expensive bag. So if you want to go on a roller coaster ride with me, then come on back and let's see, because I'm speechless this time because I'm worried. So we'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, I ain't gonna dilly dally. I'm gonna just get right into this. We'll do story time afterwards. This is from Fashionphile, and we normally have been going to pick them up. This time I had it shipped to me, and I'm worried, y'all. I'm worried. Okay, so I got the confetti, which I like. I like the confetti. It's just very nice. And of course it says, used is the new you. Is the new you. Let's see. Okay. Here it is. Okay, well, it feels stuffed, so maybe I was wrong. Whew, sorry, Fashionphile. Sorry, Fashionphile. Let's see, though. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's okay. All right. Okay, so now I'm getting more excited. So let's see. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Yes. I have gone crazy, y'all. I have gone bat poop crazy. I have. Yes, a lot of y'all called it, but y'all thought it was my last purchase, but yeah, it's this purchase. It took me a while to get her out of Fashionphile jail, to get her home, and I still have to. She's home, so she's not in jail anymore. But I still have some payments I got to do on her before I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable using her. I usually try not to use my bags until I have them paid off in the payment plans. Ooh, okay, here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Here's the handle, and then that's where the top zipper's at. Alrighty, so this bag, let's see. It's the small puzzle bag, and it's calfskin, small puzzle bag in Scarlet. The color is Scarlet. So, I fell in love with her when we went to pick up my Alma. And this is one of the bags I had been wanted for a long time. And it was, that particular day, they had a 10% off coupon going on. You had to purchase it through the app. So she said we had to do everything via the app, and then we could still purchase it in store. So we were able to do that. So it was fantastic. So this, I believe, is one of the original styles. But if I'm remembering correctly, please feel free to let me know. But I think that this is one of the original styles. But it's a small. Now, when we went to Fashionphile in November, when I found the Alma BBs, I went first to look at these. They didn't have a red, first of all. They didn't have a red, and they had browns, and they had a black one, and they had I forgot what other color, but they were $3,000 and up. And I said, no, that is like way out of my price range. Not that this is any better, but I talked to y'all about the bag creep, y'all. So this is the bag that when they told me the price and then was like 10% off today, I was like, it's only how much? So it was this price minus 10% off. And then I got to make payments for however long Fashionphile. I'll try to tell you how long it is. Then I used my Sezzle card at first, and then I also used my my Klarna cards, my Klarna card. So I'm making payments on that. So I made payments, paid it off, made another payment, but I still have the last couple of payments because I needed to get it out quickly. But I fell in love with it. I almost bought a couple of the mini ones, but the mini ones I just felt were too small. Plus, the mini was like only a couple $100 less than this was, and I was like, no. And after I tried it on and everything, y'all, I just felt that this was a good size because I have my horse bag, and this is supposed to be the size of the regular size horse bag. So I figured it would be good. So when I tried it on in the store, I knew that it probably would be something that I liked. I just felt her in the store, and she is so soft. The color is stunning. So let's see what's inside. It came with the strap, and then what else do they have in here? Ooh. They made a pillow out of air pockets. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to store it that way. I like that. So here's the inside. It's just gorgeous. And I was able to put all of my things in that day. It all fit. The strap, it fit. It was adjustable and detachable. So I just really love this bag, y'all. I really do. I'm put a fork in me and I'm done for a little while. Now, the thing with this, the only modification that I might do with this is that this right here, it doesn't swivel. But I have attachments that I can attach to it that'll make it swivelable. That'll make it swivel. So I might do that. But we'll see. Because I guess I'll probably wear it a couple times without it and see if I need it, if it bothers me with not having the straps swivel. But that is the only thing. Look, it's so squishy. See, I was so afraid that they had sent it like this. I really, in my mind's eye, that box was not big enough. So, but it is. So she is just adorable. I love her. It's gonna be short and sweet. Here, let me put her back up. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to pack her back up so y'all could get her in her good glorious shape. Right here, it has the little Loewe logo there. Other than that, the only branding that there is on here is, I guess it's that because not even the zipper pulls are branded. It doesn't look like it. If I see anything different, but no, here's branding right there on the strap. There's the branding right there. That's it. That's it. Looky, she is so pretty, and I like how I can probably do the slouch on there if make sure that I pack her correctly and I don't overpack her, and she can have a little slouch, and I can put her in the crook of my arm. She can be here. I can top handle her, hold her like this, that all of those combinations. And then of course I can use the strap, shoulder, or crossbody, and I already know. I'll put some mod shots up for y'all of when I tried her on in the store so y'all can see what she looks like and just remind you I've showed y'all before. She is just beautiful. She's in great shape. It had said on the description, when I looked online, the description had said that, while we were in store, had said it had some nicks, some, some flaws. But I had Janet, she was the one who helped me that day. I had her look, help me look for them, and we really never found anything. The like on the back here was supposed to have something, but I really don't see anything. I never saw anything. Um, there's right here is kind of like it's not a nick, it's like an indention. We thought maybe that's what they were referencing. And it said it had micro scratch. Well, it said it had scratches on the hardware, but it's like it could have been micro scratches. So I don't know. They really did. This was just fantastic. But I'm like it. It was great, and it was $1,000 off than what they were offering the November of when we had gone before, and also to like some of the other resellers that I purchased from. It was either the mini was like $100 less or the same price, and or more expensive. One of them was more expensive, was in the $3,000 range, and I couldn't. I mean, I was like, I got so fortunate. I was so fortunate. So I just wanted to come and do this quick unboxing because I was worried. And don't worry, you'll probably see more of her. You'll probably see more of her. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye. Look what y'all have done to me, ladies.